Hello guys, welcome to Softic Mentor channel. In this video, I will discuss the KineMaster app, which is the best video editing app for Android or any mobile set. First of all, in this video, we will discuss the main features of the KineMaster and their infrastructure and its main viewpoint. Now you can see on the right side of the video, here is the projects which I recently made. On to the left side you can see three big circles. Here by clicking onto the center circle, there is an aspect ratio. Here we can select any aspect ratio of the video of the project. By clicking onto the YouTube button, we can go into its YouTube channel, and by clicking onto the left this button, we can go into the KineMaster asset store. Now I don't have an internet connection, so leave it. And here you can see onto the settings button, there's a lot of settings. We will discuss about these settings later on onto the next videos. Now by just selecting any aspect ratio of the video, like I will select 16:9. Here we are onto the main infrastructure. Here we can select media, and there are three default options: background, favorites, cloud storage, and other options are optional. It may be shown on your mobile or not. This is the gallery. This is the gallery of my mobile. It may be different for your mobile. So here clicking on the background option, we can select any background. Here I can select this background. We can also change its duration. Here you can see it is only 4 seconds. By clicking onto this layer and by dragging its right side to more right, here you can see now its duration is 12 seconds. Now you can also see onto the right top side there are more three options: layers, voice, audio. So first of all we will click the layer options. Now we can see there are 5 more options: media, effect, overlay, text, and writing. First of all, you have to know about what are the layers and what is the function of the layers. Layers are just like the patches, and like the pages are stacked over each another. Let's take an example. We will select the media file. Here I will again select the background, and now I will select this image. Now you can see this image is over the previous image. We can also drag it and change its position, and we can also resize it. Here I will put it there, and we will discuss it later on the video more in detail. Now I will select the layer option, choose the effect option. I will choose an effect here. That's clearly I think it's better. It's totally changed the video. Let's show it this effect. Now again clicking on the layer options, we can choose overlay, and here we can choose different overlays what you want. Here I select the snow. This will be shown like this. I will also increase this duration to the first layer 12 seconds. And here there is a text option and handwriting option. These are very simple we will discuss it in the next video. Here you can put your voice at any part of the video. Now by clicking onto the audio button, here we can add different audios of your choice. I will select on the left top side. Here you can see the reverse button. Now you can see the audio file is removed. By clicking onto the below button of the reverse button, it is an undo button. Now we can see our audio file that we added it. Now there is an share button. It means that you can export your video and share it with your dear ones at any platform on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, what you want. Here you can see the resolution, frame rate and the size of the video. By changing this resolution, the size of the video also changes. And by tapping the export button, you can export your video, and by changing the frame rate, it will change the quality of your video. By clicking the setting button, you can change the audio settings, video settings and editing settings. Here on audio section, we can put on master volume and audio fade in and audio fade out. We will surely use these effects in our upcoming videos. And here on the video section, there is video fade in and fade out options. Here on the editing section, there are the default duration for photo clip, default duration for layer, fit in screen, fit screen, and there are different things. We will surely check these settings laterally onto the upcoming videos. So leave it here now. In this video, I show you the main features of KineMaster and how awesome it is. In the next upcoming videos, I will show you how you can download the paid version, I mean the premium version of KineMaster totally free without any cost. It means there will be no watermark on your video and you can use it and upload it at any platform of social media, or you can use it for your commercial purposes. So stick to my channel Softic Mentor. See you in the next video.